morning of January 1st. I was at Casanemo. We were down on the beach for someone had a lantern, fire lantern, that we lit and let go into the air. And we were standing on the beach when a group of 30 or so young men came rushing and shouting, mostly in Indonesian, but when they saw me, they told me in English, get off the beach, go away, go back home, meaning up to Casanemo, back off the beach. The man in the front of the group had a taser. I only saw one taser, and I didn't see him use it on anyone, but I saw he was threatening to use it, repeatedly shocking the air to scare people. And we rushed off the beach, and I was scared, so I ran as fast as I could so I didn't get tased. As a tourist, I don't know if I would come back here because it seems very threatening, and I really think that this criminal act should be dealt with by the authorities, and I hope that whoever did this is caught, because it's not right.